push it out a little bit. You can pretty much tell if this starts to really develop a bit more here. But if you go slowly,
It's such a fine touch, huh?
yeah. Well, clay is, even though it's just ground up rock, it's basically just minerals. You know, natural or residual clay is just no mishmash of rock that's ended up in water in a pile somewhere. Like the guy I get this from, they have the specific minerals that they add to do specific things, and I leave it again. You have a clue. But so you go. So the trick is at this point, slowly, just slowly, and put all your head. Oh,
You doing a little lip there?
Wow, it's getting wider.
wow. Just gently. And
That's
watch,
beautiful.
watch it as it goes, and that'll give you a trick. Okay, so
Is this what you want for Christmas?
Yeah. Want to stay in the business? Yeah.
May I?